Hi there, today I'm going to show you how you can add Google Analytics to track your website on AutoPalace. So you have to go to settings first and go to integrations, and on the Google Analytics it shows disable, right? Because you have to put the tracking ID in. So for that you have to go to Google and search Google Analytics. Yeah, and hit enter, and the first site is the Google Analytics. Yeah. So from here you can click on start measuring. Yep, start measuring, and you can put your account name. For in this case I'm doing this for Pizza Palace. It's a demo restaurant, so I'll put Pizza Palace here. Yep, go down and tick everything, just put it as it is and click on next. Right now we're only using web, we don't have apps, so you can just click on web. You don't need the app one, and click next and put the website name. It's Pizza Palace for me. Pizza Palace. And here you have to put a link to your website, which is this one, and just copy the link and paste it over here. Right now it shows invalid because the HTTPS is double here, so I'll just remove this one first. Yep. Okay, so it's good now. So you now have to choose your industry category. I'll put food and drinks for mine. Food and drink. Choose your time zone. This one's for Australia, Melbourne time, and hit create. Yep. So also change the location here to Australia. Accept the terms and conditions. Click I accept. It doesn't take long, it shows success now. Let's wait for a little bit. Yep. So this one is all email communication, so you don't have to tick on all of it. Just click save. And dismiss this. And this is your Google Analytics, so it will give you your tracking ID in a moment. Yep, it's loading. Yep, so that is your tracking ID, which you'll have to put on AutoPalace. So you just copy it, go over to there, Google Analytics, and paste the tracking ID here. Save it. Just a moment. Yep, it's enabled now. So from here you can you're all set to track all your users in your website. So from Google Analytics you can track everything on your site. You can keep track of your users, how you're getting traffic, social or referral. What time does your customer check your site the most? Which country? What devices do they use? Basically everything is in here. You can check your audience here as well. You can basically figure out what kind of audience are coming to your site, their age, their demographics, their interests, are they active or not. So it's really useful tool you can use to improve your website.